So let's solve some questions from the Women's Studies paper for 2021 NET examination. Now the complete solutions are available on Doorstep Tutor by our NET faculty. So here we are just taking some of the samples for you to understand what kind of questions come in. So one is that which of the following is a technique which is given here. Now here there are various techniques which are given. Atlas, NVivo, R package, all of these are softwares which help you understand the analysis. So R, SPSS are for statistical packages. Similarly, we have softwares like Altus, TI, NVivo. There are other softwares like MaxQDA. So these are all for computer assisted qualitative data analysis software, right? So that was a very interesting question. The next is, there is a viewpoint which is given. Now this viewpoint says oppression of women is the most fundamental form of oppression, once that cuts across the boundaries of race, culture and economic class. Now this is a radical perspective because it is establishing gender roles and then the patriarchal structure of the society, stating that the patriarchal society is more dominant and they need to remove those conventional gender practices that exist in the society in terms of power, in terms of authority, and therefore this is what is a radical view, right? The next question says, which of the following feminist theory would be more appropriate to study black feminism? Now black feminism, to study that we need to have intersectional feminism as one of the major approaches. Now black feminism specifically represents the women of color, LGBTQ or members of minority group, their experiences, and therefore we say it is intersectional. Across the sections we need to understand, and this term black feminism is more appropriate with intersectional feminism. So it talks about double pearl, it talks about simultaneous operations, triple hazards. So those are the common things that you study there. The next is, who is the author of the book titled Why I Am Not a Hindu Woman? Now this book has been written by Vandana Sonalkar, and this talks about the assault of Hindutva, the Hindu patriarchy system that exists, and the concept of gender politics in Hindu culture. So that's what is being highlighted, and it also shows that violence against the vulnerable groups, specifically the Dalits, the tribals, the Adivasis, the religious groups, have become more prominent or have increased over the time period. The next is, identify the postmodern French feminists. So the correct answer is Julia Kristeva. Now this is a very common question. It was also asked in 2023, I believe. So commonly asked question which is there, either you have the list of feminist authors, their authors and the books, their contribution. Those kinds of questions are direct, easy to learn, and must be solved, right? So those are some of the practice questions that we have discussed. The complete practice material is available on Doorstep Tutor in the UGC Women's Studies section. So be it the study material, be it the questions, you can get a practice set there itself. Wish you very good luck. Thanks for joining in.